Welcome once again. Let's talk about Teluna Classic LUNC. Now, according to bond portal of Teluna Classic LUNC, now the total supply of Teluna Classic at the time of recording this is 6,798,345,435,087 coins of Teluna Classic LUNC is being so as a supply, and I believe even though they are circulating supply is not up to this, but for me I think yes, Teluna Classic LUNC right now they need to burn, at least if they can burn up to 6.2 trillion Teluna Classic LUNC. This has been left with about 598 billion Teluna Classic coin. It will help, but burning 6.2 trillion even right now, since the burning of Teluna Classic have really started right now, since the introduction of the tax bond, LUNC have not even burned up to 1% of its supply. Currently they are just burning 0.89%. okay, that means they still need about 0.11% in order to burn at least 1% of the total supply. Now with the total supply hitting 6.7 trillion, I think they need to burn assuming 6.2 trillion. Then Teluna Classic can hit a massive increase in price between 5,000 to 20,000% increase in price if they can really burn up to that, or even more, because it all depends. But I still believe that with this number of supply they have, if you are comparing Teluna Classic to other crypto coins, there are still some more popular, there is some top coins that have more supply than Teluna Classic LUNC. Shiba Inu have over 575 trillion coins. Okay, so you will still have some coins with over 500 trillion. You see coins with over 10 trillion, but LUNC have just 6.7 trillion. So if they can burn 6.2, that is when LUNC will hit a massive increase. But right now, based on the time of recording this, they are not burning much. The total burn of Teluna Classic is just 0.89% of the total supply, okay, which will represent over 55 billion coins of LUNC. So I still believe that 0.01 or $1 cannot be achieved with the rate Teluna Classic is burning coins these days, except we can actually achieve this dream of 1 cent or $1 by 2030. Between now to 2030, I believe we still have almost 7 years to come. Teluna Classic gradually can hit that level of hitting 1 cent. If they keep burning the way they are burning, yes, there's a possibility of reaching 1 cent in the next 7 to 10 years. But that number, that is a very long period of time, but I believe within the space of 1 or 2 years they can still achieve this target, this dream of 1 cent or $1. That is, they need to increase the burning of Teluna Classic LUNC. They need to increase a lot of things, and Teluna Classic LUNC still need more trading volume, and they need to hit more market cap in order to help Teluna Classic coin. And I believe that right now, at the time of recording this, Teluna Classic trading volume have actually hit over $56 million, unlike before. LUNC trading volume have actually hit over $500 million. And I mean, after the crash of Teluna Classic, you can see there was time trading volume of Teluna Classic hit over $500 million. That is amazing. And the market cap have also hit almost $3 billion market cap. So look at Teluna Classic as of today, they've lost over $2.4 billion market cap within the past few months. So I believe that there's so many things holding the coin down. There's so many things holding Teluna Classic LUNC down. So if Teluna Classic can focus on in the area of burning more coins, in the area of running adverts, trying to get more users, trying to bring in more investors, more traders, it will definitely help this coin to grow. So I believe destroying 6.2 trillion, that will be the dream of destroying 6.2 trillion would definitely make the dream of $1 or 1 cent to be alive. But let's hope to see this, and I believe that they will gradually, as things are not going well for Solana Classic, everything will turn around very soon. Remember, this is not a financial advice, so please kindly do your own research before taking any decisions.